Hello, if you're new to my channel, I am Ransom Rider. I'm having a journey and a good time inside the kitchen, working through some recipes and some favorites from my childhood. I grew up in the Smoky Mountains of North Carolina, and what I'm preparing for you today is an absolute favorite. Let me get my glasses on so I can see you. That's better. All right, I have here some delightful bread. This is a potato bread. It's very soft, moist, and we're going to be making a banana and mayonnaise sandwich. Don't turn away. This is delicious. Give it a chance. Okay, let's get some mayonnaise. And if you hang out with me, you're going to know that I love mayonnaise on both sides. Give me mayonnaise on both sides. Let's go in, and don't be stingy with the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is so good, and it's one of the ingredients that bring this banana sandwich to life. I would be out playing, hanging out with some friends when I was growing up, and it would be time to come in and have a snack. My mom would call me in, and we'd have a banana sandwich, and I would be thrilled. All right, now let's just put a little bit of lemon on these. I like a squirt of lemon because it absolutely highlights the brilliance of the banana. Now, this is just sliced banana, and you could definitely slice the banana differently. Slice it how you like it. It's your kitchen. This is your treat. Let's get a few more of those on. I like a lot of bananas on my sandwich. It's just who I am. Couple more. Oh, that looks good. That looks so good. Now I want just a pinch, a tiny pinch of salt to enhance my flavors. Salt just brings it all together. It really does. Let's get this bread on. Let's give it a nice, good, firm smash down. I love to smash the bread. Let's come in. I'm going to chop it just the old-fashioned way. Nothing fancy. Now, my sister, she would occasionally do it in fours or do it on an angle. You could use a cookie cutter, make this just as cute as you wanted to. Let's give it a taste. Banana, mayonnaise, with a little bit of lemon and a pinch of salt. Let's try it. That is so good. Try this. Don't miss out on one of the South's best little snacking sandwiches. It's banana, mayonnaise on white bread. I'm Ransom Rider. Come hang out with me in the kitchen. I've got plenty of bananas. I'll make you one or two. I'll see you very soon on my next adventure in the kitchen. Come hang out. So good.